Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some old Nike SBs that I picked up on eBay. As you can see right here, it's a Nike SB Nyjah Free. These are the bleach coral white in a size 11. I got these size 11 because it's all I could find that was new with box. 11 and a half and 12 are really hard to find. 11 should be good as long as I take the insoles out. But I really love the Nyjah 2s. They're already onto the Nyjah 3s, and I really don't care for the Nyjah 3s so much, so I'm going back to the 2s and 1s, just kind of looking through eBay to see what they have. So opening up the box here, you will see that we have the new eBay authentication process that they have right here. Tells you all the ways that you can authenticate through here with NFC enabled devices. I don't think they make fakes of these anyway, so I'm not too concerned. But check these out. These things are pretty cool. So to start off, it comes with some extra pink laces, which seem to be the exact same that are on here already. So I guess it's just extras. We do have that eBay authenticity guarantee that's on here. I guess you just pull this and you can use the app to verify they're authentic. But yeah, I picked these up because I thought they were really cool. I like the pink. I don't have any pink shoes currently right now. And then I really think that it's cool that they have like the chopsticks on this one and the soy sauce here on this one. I thought that was really cool. But yeah, overall, a really, really clean shoe. They're not as defined as a free sole as the Nyjah 2s. I wear the Nyjah 2s for work probably like 3 to 4 times a week. Those are super cool. I think they look good with everything. And I have them just in black and like a gray and white colorway. But these here are something a little bit different. I thought these were like really cool because they were pink and green, just a little bit different than what I usually go for. And like I was saying, the insoles on these are pretty dope. So it's chopsticks, some soy sauce, really, really cool. But yeah, overall, really, really happy with this pickup. I got these for around $70 after shipping. I put a best offer in, and I thought it was a pretty good deal, you know, considering these are about $100 brand new. Got them for $70, authenticated, everything like that, and they're still brand new. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys my newest pickup from eBay. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time.